Looks too good to be true? Well, think again. I'll show you exactly how to whip this up, and it's healthy and nutritious, full of fibers and proteins, and low carb, and it's for the gluten free people too. I've given it my twist, the Pakistani twist to it, to your boring old flavorless pasta. Let's get that started. Add some oil to your pan, and once heated, I have two chopped onions that I'm gonna saute until they're lightly golden brown like this. And then we'll go ahead and start adding the spices, some chili powder, some salt, some turmeric powder, coriander crushed powder, and some water. And then we'll go ahead and give it a good mix so all the spices are mixed in together. Once the spices have befriended each other, we'll go ahead and add one chopped tomato and one green chili. We'll go ahead and give that a nice mix, and then I have about 1 pound of chicken breast here. I have it cut into medium pieces, not too small, not too big. And we'll go ahead and mix that in with all the spices. I added a little bit dash of water so that it doesn't burn, and then go ahead and cover it. This all this water is from the chicken, so I didn't need to add too much water to it. It'll cook in that. We'll go ahead and dry that water. Once that water is dry like this, we'll um start sauteing it. We'll go ahead and get it to a dry paste kind of look. So we'll cook this for about 3-4 more minutes. And once that is set like this, you see the water is all dried up. We'll go ahead and start adding our pasta sauce. I have roasted garlic pasta sauce here. You can use whichever one you like. This is a little bit of on the expensive side just because I'm trying to eat things that have less chemicals and more made of more natural ingredients. So that's what I have. I added about 2/3 of the bottle, and then I'm adding some veggies. I have broccoli and two chopped bell peppers in there. You can add as many or as less as you want. If you want just broccoli, go ahead, just do just broccoli. Or if you follow my recipes, you know I am a big fan of bell peppers. So they go into almost everything. Well, I go ahead and covered it about 2-3 minutes. Everything is mixed in. You don't want to overcook the veggies, so I added about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, low sodium. I'll go ahead and give that a mix. Everything is mixed in together. Now I have one more ingredient that I'm going to add. I love spinach in my pasta, and my kids love it too. So I always make sure to add spinach. We'll go ahead. I am adding about half a pack of the fresh spinach. So give it a good mix, and I'll leave it for about 2-3 minutes, not too much, just so that it mixes into everything. And that looks just beautiful. Just look at it. This is perfect. Now I already have the boiled pasta. The pasta, I forgot to save the pack and show it to you. This is a low carb chickpea pasta. The taste, I tell you, you cannot even tell it's chickpea pasta. There's no taste in it. You will literally feel like you're eating the actual pasta, but the benefits are just amazing. It's high protein, high fiber, and so many more nutritions. You're not just putting in a white flour made pasta that has no nutritions in it. Just look at that. That looks beautiful. All the veggies, the chicken, the color. It's just beautiful. And I tell you, it is the best. And there you have it, high protein, high fiber, healthy, nutritious pasta. Follow me for more recipes, subscribe to my channel, and check out all the other low carb, high protein recipes. Have a good day.